Hello everyone, and welcome to a heartwarming and memorable moment, the family gathering of the English Education Department. On January 18, 2025, about 300 participants gathered at Wero and Omisawa in Bantal to celebrate Togetherness. The event brought together faculty members, staff, professors, academic officials, and retired colleagues. The event kicked off with a warm introduction by our MCs, Febi Puspidasari and Etiara Fitrianingshi, who outlined the day's activities with enthusiasm. The chair of the English Education Department, Dr. Ari Pernawan, delivered a meaningful message. He reminded us that the family gathering is a chance to get to know each other better, share inspiration, and strengthen our teamwork and bonds. One of the most special moments was the farewell for Professors Sugaran and Mr. Suharto, who are retiring last year. It was an emotional occasion, filled with appreciation for their dedication over the years. A video showcasing their career journey reminded us of all of their incredible contributions. The event also welcomed new faculty members who have recently joined the English Education Department. We are excited to have them as part of our family. Of course, the atmosphere became even livelier with spontaneous performances from younger faculty members and families. Their creativity and humor brought so much joy and laughter to the event. One of the most treasured moments was the group photo session, capturing the beautiful memories we all shared on that day.
The event continued with artistic and musical performances by department staffs. And of course, the excitement of the door prizes added to the fun, with prizes being awarded in various categories, making the atmosphere even more festive. As the event came to a close, everyone gathered for one final photo. It was a beautiful way to end the day full of warmth and camaraderie. We want to thank the organizers and everyone who participated for making this event a success. We hope this family gathering continues to strengthen the bonds and unity within the English Education Department at UNY.